everyone. My name is Marijol Roy Abaday. I am first year BA major in Marketing Management, Section FB1 MM101. Today, I will present my answers for Module 5, Information Technology in Business. Activity 1, Matching Task. Number 1. My answer is letter E, mobile technology, because it enables businesses to access data and communicate with customers in real time using mobile devices. Number 2. My answer is letter D, cloud computing, because businesses can store and access their data from any devices or location through the internet. Number 3. My answer is letter C, automation, because it reduces the need for manual labor and allows employees to focus on more important tasks. Number 4. My answer is letter B, artificial intelligence, because AI can analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, helping businesses and make better decisions. Number 5. My answer is letter A, remote working, because it allows employees to work and complete their tasks even when they are not physically present in the workplace. Activity 2, true or false. My answer for number 1 is true, because improved productivity helps businesses produce more products or services in less time, which can increase profits. Number 2. My answer is true, because investing in cybersecurity is important because it protects business data from hackers, viruses, and cyber threats. Number 3. My answer is true because AI can answer customer questions, provide personalized recommendations, and improve customer service. Number 4 is true again, because information technology is the foundation of ERP systems, because it connects different business functions such as finance, inventory, and human resources. Number 5 is false, because open source software is not typically expensive. In fact, it is usually free or low cost, making it budget-friendly option for many businesses. So for the last question, the question is, which technology discussed in the activity has the greatest impact on businesses today and why? I believe artificial intelligence has the greatest impact on businesses today, because it helps companies analyze data, automate tasks, improve customer service, and make faster and more accurate decisions. As a result, businesses become more efficient, productive, and competitive. Thank you, and that's all for my presentation.